Hi, today we're going to talk about the cell membrane. The cell membrane, or the plasma membrane, is the organelle that keeps the cell different from the outside. What does it do? It regulates what comes in and out of the cell. So now, let's talk structure. The plasma membrane is made up of a phospholipid bilayer. A phospholipid is a type of lipid. It contains a phosphate group, a glycerol, and two fatty acid tails. The fatty acid tails can be saturated, which means they have no missing hydrogens, or unsaturated, which means they do have a missing hydrogen. The phosphate group creates a polar section of the molecule in the head of the phospholipid. The fatty acid tails are nonpolar and are hydrophobic. The glycerol binds the molecule together. The structure of the phospholipid is important to remember because the bilayer is entirely dependent upon it. The fatty acid tails form the bilayer inward. They point towards each other, while the polar heads point towards the water and the cytoplasm. Now the Kibble bits. There are many structures in the rest of the membrane, from proteins to other fats. First of all, much like your alcoholic father's heart, who eats too much KFC, the plasma membrane has a lot of cholesterol. Cholesterol regulates the fluidity of the membrane by keeping molecules spaced together at a roughly even distance. Next in order are peripheral proteins. They sit on top of the membrane, and they are attached via hydrogen bonds. They carry out some minor tasks. Next in line are integral proteins. They are embedded in the membrane. They serve several different tasks. They are first of all an anchor for many other cellular activities to take place. Speaking of proteins in the membrane are protein channels. Protein channels allow for the transportation of molecules that wouldn't otherwise pass through the membrane through simple diffusion. They can either carry out facilitated diffusion or active transport. The next component of the cell membrane is glycolipids. Glycolipids can act as receptors and maintain membrane integrity. Glycolipids are made of a lipid with a carbohydrate attached. The carbohydrate can act as the receptor. Similar to glycolipids are glycoproteins. Glycoproteins are a protein with a carbohydrate attached. They serve a similar function to glycolipids, but glycoproteins are used to help identify other cells. The end.
Thanks for watching. 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 V.